In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import records from one Airtable base to another. We'll walk through the full flow together so you can safely and reliably bring data from a source base into a destination base using Airtable's built-in sync feature. Start by opening your browser and going to the Airtable homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you work across multiple workspaces. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your bases. First, open the base that currently holds the records you want to copy. Think of this as your source base. Click on that base to open it, and then navigate to the table and view that contain the records you want to import elsewhere. The sync will respect whatever is visible in this view, so it's a good idea to apply any filters or sorting you need before you continue. At the top of the screen, look for the option that says Share and Sync and click on it. In the panel that opens, choose Sync Data to another base. This is what tells Airtable you want to use this view as a data source for other bases. You'll now see an option that says Allow data in this view to be synced to other bases. Click to enable that. This is essentially turning on a live connection from this view, so any updates here can flow through to other bases. Confirm any prompts you see so that syncing from this view is allowed. Once that's done, leave this source base open if you like, but now switch over to the base where you want the records to end up. This is your destination base. Open that base from your Airtable home screen. Inside the destination base, look near your list of tables for a button labeled Add and click it. From the options that appear, choose Airtable Base. This tells Airtable you want to create a synced table that pulls from another base. Next, click on Select a Base, and in the picker that appears, choose another Airtable base. From the list, locate the base you were just working in, then choose it. After that, click Select a Table and pick the table that holds the records you want, for example, Table 1. You'll now choose Select a View and then pick the specific view you enabled syncing on, such as Grid View. This defines exactly which subset of records will sync. When you're happy with the selections, click Next. Review the sync options that appear, then click Next again to confirm. Finally, click Create Table. Airtable will now create a new synced table in your destination base and import all the records from that view. Any future changes in the source view will automatically update in this new table.